Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we're going to make some of these chicken breast tenderloins here, and we're going to be cutting with corn flakes. We're going to use a little bit of this LAWRY'S all-purpose chicken seasoning, and of course salt and pepper. And right here I've got me a small mixing bowl with ice water in it, and I'm going to put in there and that'll help that cornflakes stick to that chicken. Easy for you to say. So I'll be back in a minute and we'll get started. Okay, now the first thing I want to do is put some cornflakes in this little beaker here, or whatever you want to call it. And then I'm going to take this Cuisinart hand mixer here. Brush it up like this. That should be about enough. Let's look and see. Now I'll take that entire beaker of cornflakes that was filled up to here and reduced it down to that. So I think we're going to need just a little bit more, so let's put just a few more in here. Oh, I don't want that many in there. Now I got a mess to clean up. I got to do it before Kay sees her. She'll get after me. Okay. Now, I want to figure that's about enough to coat those tenderloins with after I get them good and cold here. Now, let's clean up this mess so I can carry on. Okay, now I've got the cornflakes in this plate here, and I'm going to go ahead and add my LAWRY'S chicken seasoning here. That looks pretty good. We'll put some pepper. Now you just do salt and pepper to taste, of course. You know, some people like a lot of pepper and some people don't. So and salt. All right. Now we'll stir it up. I'm just going to take a fork. Stir it around a little. Get it mixed pretty good. Don't have to be perfect, you know. Now, I'm going to go up with this pack of chicken here. Well, next thing I'm going to do is wash this off in just tap water here. Ice water here. Alright, now I'm going to roll it in this seasoning I got here. Just like this. Roll it pretty good around in there. I'm going to take it over here and put it in the bottom of this Ninja FOODi. I'll show you in a second after I get a couple more of them in there. Okay, now I've got most of these veins out here. I'm going to go back over here after I got these dumped back in this cold water again. Rinse them off a little bit in that ice water. And come on over here and do it just like I did that first one a while ago. But those little veins that was in there that I was cutting out, they are really tough to try to eat. So if you can, try to get them out. Alright, now. Okay, now I've got these mostly breaded, and I'm going to start putting them down here in this Ninja FOODi. Roll them around like this. The colder that water is, it just helps hold those cornflakes on there better, and that seasoning. So that's why I put ice water in it. You don't always use it like a rub, you know, if you don't get on there right away, just pick it up and rub it in. Okay, we're going to be a little crowded in here, but it'll make it. I only got 2 more to go. And last but not least, it's not going to take very long to cook them, so I'm going to have to really keep an eye on these. I think I'm going to start it out at 390 for 10 minutes, but like I say, I'm really going to watch it. So the next thing you got to do is shut the lid, turn on the power, and let's go. The FOODi comes up and it automatically goes to 390 for 20 minutes, and we go hit the little time button right here, and it starts flashing, and then we reduce it down to 10 minutes. Okay, and then we'll go hit the start button. And there it goes. And while I got a chance, if y'all can join our channel and give us a thumbs up, we sure appreciate it. And I really appreciate y'all watching our videos. It means a lot to us when you watch our videos. If you get a chance, check out our links below. You might find something down there on Amazon you like. So, instead of us sitting here watching this for 9 minutes and 36 seconds, let's do the magic of YouTube and this camera here. We'll just be back in a few minutes. Okay, now I just checked the temperature on these, and they're up to 145 degrees. And so I'm going to let it recycle when it does, and we'll put 5 more minutes on there, but I'm going to check it after about 2 minutes. And I really think they'll be done. So let's see if it'll just restart here from, no, yeah, it will. Okay, you got to, we'll run it down to 5 minutes, and then we'll hit the start button again. Okay, well, like I say now, I'm going to check it in just a minute or two, because like I said, it's already up 140, and I know it's going to keep on cooking just a little bit. So anyhow, we'll check it in a second. Now while you're waiting, don't forget to do that countertop with some disinfectant, because you've been cutting chicken up on it and such as that. So let's go ahead and just spray down the countertop just a little bit. Alright, let that sit there for just a minute or two, and then we'll wipe it down. My paper towels here. Now this way I don't have to worry about it being dirty or got chicken juice on it next time I get ready to cook. And you see all that stuff that's on that towel? Now you get it and see it just looking down there at it. So make sure you clean that countertop. Okay, now they've just about been going another 2.5 minutes here, so let's see what they look like now. See what the temperature is. Oh yeah, that's over 100, that's about 160. Oh yeah, all of them's over 160. So they'll keep cooking. Ouch! Don't touch that pot with your hands while you're doing that, because it's hot. And we'll tell you, I keep telling people, don't touch that pot. It's hot. I don't know why I keep doing it. So anyway, now we'll get ready to take them out of this pot. Okay, now we're going to put some of this Hidden Valley Ranch dressing on my expensive plate here. Like that. Now we're going to put some celery sticks on here to go with it. And for us, this is going to be our dinner, because we've been eating like pigs for the last few days. Had company, we've been eating, so now we're going to take it easy for a day or two with the eating. So that about does it for this little video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed making it for you. And I hope you'll come back and see us real soon and watch more of our videos. And until then, y'all have a real good and safe day, and so long for now. Goodbye.